A few years ago, I thought of an analogy. I thought it was a powerful one, brilliant one. Later I found out that it existed prior to my conceiving it. Here's my version. It's a little bit different. Imagine aliens taking over the planet. In nature, they are just like us, as they have exactly the same values as us. But they do not fight among themselves. They do not understand our language, but they are 1,000 times more intelligent. And they like to eat us. They discover that we can do work for them and entertain them, and use us for clothes, animal testing, or food testing, human testing it might be, and their cosmetics. They suspect we are not willing participants in our subservience and exploitation, and they know we are suffering, but they do not care. Isn't that exactly what we're doing with non-human animals? I chose not to show this or describe the gruesome reality of the way we treat animals. It is horrific. The ingenious discoveries how to explore the produced taste and results from them are mind-blowing. A beautiful yet very painful to watch documentary is Earthlings. My eyes fill with tears just watching this lady watching the film, even when I had the sound off. Most people who do watch Earthlings and do watch it because it's a life-changing video, and many people have made the switch purely by watching Earthlings. On the occasion of World Vegan Day, I conclude with this beautiful 2-minute video.
They say it's always darkest just before the dawn. But the first light sparks the hope for a better tomorrow. I have this dream in which we meet again for the first time. A morning on which the wind turns and hands us new perspectives. Change is possible if we change ourselves. If we converge and our paths cross each other's. We all are wonders of this world. I have this dream in which our hearts open up and we begin to understand that we don't have the right to kill you, to torture you. I have this dream to wake up in a world in which we discard our callousness, our hearts awake, compassion determining our actions, a world in which we stop making clothes out of the skin which not too long ago felt sun and the wind. For us, it's only about a meal, just a moment. For them, it's about life itself. From the halls of abandoned slaughterhouses, the freedom ring. This is an ode to freedom. Listen to its sound.